Hi guys, I will discuss. It's all about the project time and cost management, risk management, and agile or Scrum methodologies. This will cover the introduction, brief history, time and cost management tools, and their importance and MIS, the rest of management, agile and Scrum methodologies, and finally the conclusion with a reference. So let's start with the introduction. The time and cost management schedules project tasks and control the budget. So IT project finish on time within funding limits. Risk management identifies, analysis, and prepare responses for event that could delay or derail a project. And Agile and Scrum methodologies breaks work into short cycle, allowing teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements. Now, brief history. In the past year 1950s, Gantt chart and the critical path method formalized project scheduling and cost control. In the late 1980s, PMIs or PM book guide standardized project management practices, include risk planning. And 2001, the Agile Manifesto was published, promote, promoting flexible, interactive software development. Through the 2000s, the Scrum framework gained adoption, organizing agile work into sprint and defined roles. And today, in the year 2020s, hybrid project management blends traditional planning with agile delivery and IT teams. Okay, let's look at the time and cost management tools. Gantt chart are visual schedules that shows task duration, sequence, and overlap over time. The critical path method identifies the longest chain of the dependent tasks that set the project minimum duration. Cost baseline and budgeting sets that approve budget used to measure and control project spending. And earned value management compares planned vers- versus actual progress and cost to the track performance. And why does this matter to management information system? This tool feed real-time schedule and cost data into dashboard so manager can track project health at the glance. They improve resource allocation by showing which tasks and teams need attention before deadline slip. They reduce budget overruns by flagging cost variance early before they grow into a major lesson. And they provide the documented history of project performance to guide the planning of the future IT project. To the risk management, risk identification lists potential technical, schedule, and budget threats early in the project. Risk analysts rank risk by likelihood and impact to prioritize the team's attention. And risk response planning prepares mitigation, contingency, or transfer plan before problem occur. On the other side, we have the Agile and Scrum methodologies. The product backlog is the prioritized list of future and fix. the team plan to deliver. Sprint are short, fixed cycle, often one of the 4 weeks that deliver a working product increment. Scrum roles, the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team share clear responsibilities, and daily stand-ups plus sprint review keeps the team aligned and responsive to change. Together, discipline, risk management, and flexible agile practice help IT project handle uncertainty without losing momentum. So we have next conclusion. In conclusion, the project and cost management, risk management, and agile scrum methodologies together give IT project teams control, foresight, and flexibility. Discipline, schedule, and budgeting keep project on track. Proactive risk management prepares team for the unexpected. And agile practices let them adapt quickly when requirements change. Together, they show how strong project management support by inform- information system turn uncertainty into successful IT delivery. And for the reference, here's the formatted and EP 27 edition. Thank you for watching.